You're traveling to sit alone, there to see if you choose to care. They stand by the side, those little white crosses on them sharp cuts of despair. Well, sometimes I wish I was still there on that road to Culiacan, watching the Sierra Madre turn green, the new moon of June on the run. I'm on the Ortega highway, on the mountain tonight, finding her way through the darkness, watching the cliffs or the oncoming lights. On the Ortega highway, on the mountain, that's right. Another mile, I see your sweet smile, and baby, I'm coming home tonight. It was spring, the warm sun was shining when we first drove to El Senor. In love on the hunt for that silver lining, that piece of American soil. But that dirt was in the inland empire, the cities where the money's found. So every day she headed over that mountain, and every night she had to turn it around. On the Ortega highway, on the mountain tonight, finding her way through the darkness, watching the cliffs or the oncoming lights. On the Ortega highway, on the mountain, that's right. Another mile, I see your sweet smile, and baby, I'm coming home tonight. Yeah, you know when the dream has ended and you wake up with a start, alone in your chair in front of the TV, and your whole world falls apart. So if you're leaving San Juan Capistrano, looking for Lake Elsinore, there's a little white cross on the summit, on the mountain forevermore. On the Ortega highway, she's on the mountain tonight, finding her way through the darkness, watching the cliffs or the oncoming lights. On the Ortega highway, on the mountain, that's right. Another mile, I see your sweet smile, and